नमस्कार दोस्तों, तो एक नई वीडियो में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। दोस्तों आज हम देखने जा रहे हैं आप अपने घर पे एक रावण कैसे बना सकते हैं। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर ड्यू, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। We need some disposable glass. Take some acrylic colors which you want and a brush for paint. Now paint two disposable glasses to make the body of the Ravan. Now paint a glass with another color which you want. Now take the glass and stick together from the bottom of the glass. Now we need some decoration tape. Take any design tape which you want and stick it as shown in the video. Now take the other third glass and stick it for the face of the Ravan. Now cut the paper like eyes and stick it on the face of the Ravan. Now cut a triangular piece from a paper for the nose. Now cut a paper for his mouth. The Ravan's face is ready. Fold a sheet of paper for his arms. Now stick it with a Fevicol or a tape. Now we need an X-Acto knife for the fitting of the arms in the Ravan. Do the holes in the body as you seen in the video. Do this process politely. भाई धक्का मत करियो, नहीं तो टूट जाएगा। मेरा तो टूट गया, चलो आपका ना टूटे। Now we need a glitter sheet to give a great look. Now cut a piece of circle from our glitter sheet. दोस्तों अभी हमें फॉर्म शीट चाहिए अपनी तलवार को बनाने के लिए। Now we need a gold foam sheet to make the crown of the Ravan. Fold the sheet and cut it as shown in the video. Now give the design to the crown. Now paste it on the top of the Ravan. Now this DIY is ready. If you like this video, then hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel.